Hi everyone and welcome to The Well-Educated Artist. Today we are going to be doing a red, white, and blue funnel pour. Are you feeling patriotic? Come on, let's get started. Okay, for our red, white, and blue funnel pour, we are going to start with red, white, and blue. You can probably see my colors over here. We have Prussian blue, Sapphire blue, metallic blue, we have Pyrrole red, and we have Alizarin crimson, and we have titanium white and metallic white. So we are going really with the patriotic theme of red, white, and blue. Okay, so to start with, we're not working on a huge canvas today. It's taped off, ready to go. Okay. We are working on a 14 by 11 canvas, and we're going to begin by laying down three colors: red, white, and blue. So starting with our white, we are just going to go across. So here is our white. Just Floetrol and water in this, and titanium white. Gonna just spread this out fairly quickly. Okay, now we're going to use Sapphire blue, and I am going to go right up to the white. Fairly thin consistency on this paint. Okay, I'm grabbing my palette knife for this since I will need a little more precision. And now we are going to be putting down our red. I'm going heavy on the red today. Hopefully we're not too thick. It's like icing a cake. Okay, as you can see, we're already starting to get some feathering out along the edges with that blue. We're just going to torch, get some of the bubbles out. So now we have our base. We have our red, white, and blue base, and we're going to be using red, white, and blue paints, and we're going to be using a funnel. So here we have our funnel, and now we are going to fill our funnel with paint. I am just going to actually place the funnel down, and I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to fill my funnel, and I'm going to start, I believe, with metallic blue. This is a DecoArt color. All colors will be in the description below, and I'm going to layer them. I'm going to layer it, and this may turn purple. This is a DecoArt Festive red, and then I'm going to add metallic white. Hopefully we don't get pink. So our metallics. I'm also going to go ahead and add the next color, and this may sink, which is a Prussian blue. So red, white, and blue all the way on this one. I'm going to continue to layer. I am going to also layer, because we're over on the blue, more of our Alizarin Crimson Red. And even a little bit of Pyrrole Red. That's okay. And I'm going to finish that out with just a tad bit of metallic. And we will see how this goes. It's already leaking, that's okay. We're going to move it right along our line. And I'm not seeing my red, and red normally will float. There's our red. Okay. It's so festive. What I'm actually going to do is put this down, and then I'm going to add a little bit of my color. And travel it right on out. I'm just adding a little bit of visual interest into this. It's an interesting contrast with this Pyrrole red versus the darker red. red, white, and blue, and a little sparkle too. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Or if you're feeling patriotic, like and subscribe. Bye.